Hey Sunset Lincoln Hills, Eric Nelson here with the McGrail Team, bringing you your weekly market update. Let's dive in. As of today, we have 34 active properties on the market here in our wonderful community. That means there's something for everyone. So if you're looking to make a move, now's a great time to explore. We had 7 properties go pending this week, including our Dorado model on Violet Lane that went pending on its very first day on the market. That's right, day 1. And we're proud to say Jacqueline, one of our amazing team members, brought the buyer to one of those pending homes as well. Way to go, Jacqueline. In addition to those pending sales, 5 homes closed escrow this week, and we couldn't be happier for the new homeowners. Congratulations to everyone who made it across the finish line. Now, if you're out and about this weekend, come and see us at our open houses. We'll be at 1939 Grand Pheasant Lane on Saturday from 12 to 3, featuring our stunning Plumas model, 2550 Fountain Hill Loop on both Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 3. I'll be there on Saturday. Natalie on our team will be there on Sunday. This unique Pine Hill has had 3 offers so far, all contingent on buyers selling their homes, which didn't quite work out. So if your home is sold and you're ready to buy, this could be your chance. Whether you're buying, selling, or just staying in the loop, we're here to help you navigate the Sunset Lincoln Hills market with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you this weekend at our open houses. Until next time, take care and stay well.